Production.
Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's your boy Eldorado. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, follow me on our social, and link to my new website is in the description, so you can visit there. If you like anything, please do support me. It helps keep this channel going, because I don't know, YouTube not pay me already. Anyways, in this video now I really want to talk about auto-tune. Now, you ever wonder why some of the time you mix and you mix on robotic way? Yeah, it does happen to me. Anyways, a quick solution for that, I use two auto-tune, or two are the same pitch correction. There are times when I mix them, so for instance that I use Melodyne to really tune the vocal or pitch them on different notes, because there are times when I get vocals and it sounds better on some notes than the ones that they are actually sung on. And then after that I apply auto-tune. But for this particular video, it is best if you're using auto-tune, say for EFX Plus, and it's sounding too robotic. What you can do is dial back those settings somewhat and copy the same instance of that settings, and leave it as is. What I really mean by that is make the setting slower, but it does add up back to the same amount of tuning that you would apply to the particular vocal or 808 or whatever you're using it to tune. So using slower settings can achieve the same result, but use two instead of one, because essentially is the auto-tune is overworking itself and creating all these artifacts. So you're not getting a cleaner pitch vocals if that's what you're after. Cleaning pitched vocals is because the auto-tune works so hard. So sometimes when I send the mix to a client or you're mixing it, or the artist say why it sounds so robotic, is because the plugin itself is working too hard to correct all these things. So it is not making enough smooth transaction or smooth transition with all those changes that are being taken place. So using two auto-tunes at slower settings can really help with that robotic sound. If it's not a sound that you're going after, it can really help a lot. If this video helped you somewhat, please do leave a comment below, leave some likes and so forth like that. Smash that like button, select subscribe, and hit the bell notification and join the notification gang or squad or whatever you might call it, and I'll catch you in another video. Until the next time, it's your boy Eldorado. Peace out.